Okay, guys. Hi, it's Misha. Let's see our prep for tomorrow. This guy's still running. This guy's still running. This guy's still running. Okay, there's something. Finally. There is something finally. Yeah, it crashed. Sad story. Um, it's trying to find its bottom. I'm not sure if that's the one, but at least we got some. Something. Yep. We got this level. This level never existed. Yeah. It's still in 0.5. It's still at an interesting level. Yeah. This stock is just freaking out. I think it'll go. It can go tomorrow. Could even gap. We'll see. Nothing much. I need more stocks. But I have absolutely zero time. I start preparing a new play. A one person show. Yeah. It's in 0.5 after this volume. That could have been a panic. So, could have been. Yeah, missed the sweet trade here. Prematurely, exit prematurely. What can you do? What can you do? And here there was nothing for us to. Yeah, like effectively, like if, not even effectively. Yeah. Yeah, no, that was a massacre. Yeah, that was an entry, obviously, but we've missed it. I've missed it. Let's make a correction. Look at this. Yeah, everything like became jerky all of a sudden. It's a transitory extremum, and we can play without close manipulation signal of the transitory extremum. That all could have been an accident, and that could have been a spring, but it is what it is now. And now it's like this. And that's our transitory extremum. And on minutes even, we could have played of this. There's no close signal. Yeah, that was the trade. Could have hit our virtual stop. and then I would have to exit it for break. But no, there was no signal. Yeah, there was no signal. So this then, right? There was no signal, so we would have waited. You would have waited like this. This signal comes in. Yeah. No, nothing. Like realistically, that was it, but I wouldn't be able to identify it, I think. And also it went lower. Yeah. It's an hourly watch. If it comes, springs this, it's good to go. Regardless of ideology, believe me when I say to you, I hope that Russians love their children. Tune the Sting song Russians is stuck in my head. It's a good one. I like it. So it's now like this officially. Still cultivating a hope for it to come here. Forget this one. No, it's still valid. From a previous T1 from the beginning of the times. Anywhere it would be good. Yeah, no, Home Depot. Thank you for letting me out. I'm not gonna do it again. I'm not gonna do this volume. Look at this volume. And then it goes lower. Goes below this volume. Just crushes. Well, partial because of the price magnet. Comcast. Yeah. I gotta wait. Maybe it's for better because I'm working on a new script. Should focus on that one. Maybe it's time to take a little break. And be a little conservative because like April is definitely jerky. I think it will do it like one final push at least before we'll go to the full scale correction. As I say, sell in May and stay away. So maybe May will be somehow positive, and then it's gonna be time to get out, which will hopefully will break me in from Johnson & Johnson, from Intel. You remember burn after reading? What the heck did we learn, Palmer? I guess, sir, not to do it again. Yeah. So that's what I learned from Johnson & Johnson. That was letting me out, and I didn't take it. Didn't take my ticket out. Wait. Oh yeah, it was this volume. Doesn't look nothing like correction. Doesn't look nothing like correction after this one. Let's put it on a monthly watch. Since the levels just remember not to trade it. This too, it's just can't go. Nah, 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 nah. It's like in test right now, but so high. If I get stuck in this stock, it looks like a bearish trap to me. Yeah, this is Jay. Oh, Casey, I'm sorry. We disconnected. He wrote me, and like I took a look. I remember I was taking a look at a bunch of his stocks and emailed him the link to the YouTube channel. Didn't hear back from him. This is good up to here now. Up thrust, test. Na 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 na. Yeah. I think I gotta go. This volume though. No good break, no nothing. Believe me when I say to you, I hope the Russians love the children too. There is no monopoly of common sense of on either side of political fence. When I say to you, I hope the Russians love the children too. I think this is close enough. Should be thought. Should be seen like this. Look at this volume. This is ambitious. Costco is correcting. Look at the Casey, he's crushing it. See. Did he take this trade? Hope he did. Hope he didn't listen to me. Well, that's very... Yeah, no, I wouldn't see it as a level. If he wasn't the straight, he's about to make some 1.4R. That's one of his early ones. All you know, my brother Casey. And I miss you, Casey. Come back. I miss you. Yeah. Like, what's the point of seeing it like this? This looks like weakness. It does. Yes, I think those are the many stocks that I was taking a look for Casey, or at least some of them. I hope he's in profits. Yeah. But 0.5 is not really a good idea after it breaks. That was a test level though. Doesn't look much like anything, pretty much. No, I don't like it. Casey. And I'll take a day off and I'll revise all my trades since January. That would be interesting. This is obviously like it's some sort of, yeah. No, I don't think it's an actual break. Look, because well, that would be Polish. That would be bearish though. Yeah, no, I don't think. I think it's like this, and more than anything. Russell is desperate, still trying to break out of this balance. Oh, this is good for short. For short. Believe me when I say to you, I have the Russians, lovely children too. Mr. Khrushchev said we'll bury him. I don't subscribe to this point of view. Is it still bigger for the 6? For the 6? It's 45, but by here. Okay, this is broken. This is broken. Yeah. This volume though? Yeah. Doesn't look real good. Looks like it's about to die. Many things start looking like they're about to die. I don't want to be this crow that kind of like this famous Russian grandma that's like unhappy about everything. Everything is so overpriced. Everything is so overextended. But I'm talking about extended. I'm talking about exhaustion volumes. I'm talking about some real volume here. McDonald's was good to buy here. It's gonna be good to buy soon. We can put it on the McDonald's. Oh my gosh, I don't recommend anyone to ever eat there in McDonald's. This is a bigger volume. Excuse me. This volume was bigger. Right here. Thank you. Interesting. Someone was like drunk here. Can't even tell what happened here. But something definitely happened here. What a beautiful what a beautiful balance. Ooh la la. Come see, come ça one day I feel it's love. Perfect for short. It's trying to ooh. Look at this. Look at this guy. This guy. I think this means something. However, this also means something. Okay. Let's leave it alone to figure out its own meanings. Mitsubishi. Anyone still have like one of those? I don't think I see them ever since. Like ever since I moved to the United States 10 years ago, I barely saw a dozen. Okay, like couple dozen, few dozen on the street. Whoa, this is inspiring. This volume looks amazing. Okay, Casey, I hope you're in on this one. Okay. Yeah. Norfolk Southern Corporation. NVIDIA. It approaches this level, but it looks like an exhaustion level. Super careful about those. NVIDIA. Interesting. Interesting. Oof. This will not be bad when it comes to this level. It's kind of a little bit far. However, I think it has some kind of like magnetism to this level now. Progressive. They're making me problems nowadays. They want to like confirmation of this and confirmation of that. I think I got a red flag or something. So like the underwriter just tortures me with all the things they want me to provide them with. And my famous joke, of course, is it because I'm Russian? Is it why you do not trust me? and I hate to say it, but I cannot blame you. I understand how propaganda works and such, and stereotypes exist for a reason. So yeah, I need to look at it. I think they gave me like a couple of weeks to provide them with this whole bunch of documents. Officially, this was, excuse me, officially this was broken here when the reaction bar closed bearish. I think this gap contributes to the idea that it was really like bullish. No, let's not do that. That's like too systematic, should I call it? Schematic. That's the ooh. Someone was just hallucinating here. Someone called Misha. What the heck? What the heck even happened here? Oh, that was... What the heck? And I should have seen it actually as the... I was drunk, sorry. I mean, let's leave it alone. It's gonna come here and we'll have a legit level. For now, it's just a massacre. It's just a hallucination. One of those hallucinations of mine. So we are at this level now. Yeah, I need more stocks. Nothing to trade. And also maybe it's for better because everything kind of looks gloomy a little bit. I think it will resume. I think it will do like final push. The final song of the hamster, we call it. Back home retailers are called hamsters. So I think we'll still see the final song of the hamster. It's where everyone and their grandma like buys everything and then everything dies. Sad story. If you've been on the market long enough, you've seen it multiple times. You see how it goes. You've seen how it goes. I don't even know what happened here. And like, holy crap, look at the stock. It's just the most boring stock in the history of humankind. It's short, for all I care. Ever since here, it never broke out. Yeah. Oh, this is not bad. Health scare anyone? It's stretched, but good from the previous. Let's keep it here so that I still estimate what happens if I'm... Oh. Yeah. Let's just keep it on the monthly watch. What is this? Oh, UPS. It went high eventually. It gave me like a quick... Well, it gave me a quick loss, but like it worked, but then it didn't. What's going on here? It's kind of... It's out of this range. Yeah. Casey, I'm not sure if you're on this trade, but I don't like it. Wells Fargo. Yeah, I think the big kaboom is around the corner. It's nearing. I can sense its filthy breath behind my left shoulder. The death of the hamster again. I think they're called hamsters. Retailers are called hamster back home because it's kind of like hamster wheel. Even more useless than the rat race. Less senseless. More senseless. For people who are just purely led by greed and fear, not by common sense. That would be but that was the biggest volume of the... Once again, it's gonna be like so high to buy it from here, but ever since this 2-bar spring, can be level. Let's put it on the watch. I need to have something on the watch, right? Let's just agree on that. I need something. I need market to give me a little something. Okay, that's all I've got. So that's all I've got for tomorrow. It'll be focused on this guy here, this guy here, this. Yeah, we got something. We got a little something. And okay, they coincide, right? Let's agree on that. Well, that's also not necessarily true. So it's more like this. This volume is bigger. And I don't know exactly what happened here. I don't know why I put it here, but it's 0.5 regardless. It's 0.5. This is true to say. So yeah. It's good for quick aggressive trade regardless. Yay. Yay. Yeah. And this guy. That might have been an entry, but this volume is scary. We'll see tomorrow. Okay, guys, I'm gonna disconnect you tomorrow.